Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It is Al. Yes, I'm in the loft. I'm in the loft with a guest, and today is just a running session. An afternoon of running trains, and this is who is here as well.
And it's Mark, aka Captain Static here from Stanover Model Railway.
And I must put out a little shout out to these guys. Yeah, thanks for your support, guys. It's really nice. So let's get on with the running session. Let's go. So these are the four lovelies we're going to be running this afternoon. There might be a few other trains brought in, but this is my S15 pulling, well, not all of my brake vans, but a good selection, including two from Bernie at Crossways Point Junction. Thanks, Bernie. Got your parcel, by the way. My black 5. Now then, Bernie's just sent me a slightly damaged black 5, so you're going to see that in the future, but not straight away. There's so much going on. So it's a black 5 on the parcels. These are marked, what Mark's bought. These were marked fathers. So tell us what this one is, Mark.
Right, the blue one is a Merchant Navy class, and it's Canadian Pacific. It is actually based on the Mid-Hants Railway, and I think they're slowly starting the next overhaul on it. And the coaches, they're the Mornsell coaches, and they're in the Southern Region green livery.
Have they run here before, these coaches?
That livery set hasn't, no.
Right, okay. And you've got an S15, is that right?
Yeah, that's my S15, so it's virtually the same as Alan's, and it's in the Southern Railway olive green livery.
And the carriages?
Yeah, it's the Mornsell carriages again. You've seen them before, and it's pulling the luggage van seat on the rear end.
Okay, well let's go for a run session then. Driver, which one are you going to take first?
I think I'll take my S15 first.
Okay, right, off you go. There we go. Now the Merchant Navy's away. There she goes. There goes the S15 with all the brake vans. Okay, she's off to Barry Island, I think. There we go. The running session has begun. We're back on the bridge doing a bit of train spotting from the bridge. Well done. Oh yes, good timing. Here comes the black 5. And there she goes. Is this good timing or not? Oh, not too bad. Well, this is the S15. Can you bring her up a bit more? I got this wagon in the way. There's my S15. Keep going a bit more. Pulling this. Backman St Mary, I think it's called. Should be in Southern Region colours. Yeah, it will be in Southern Region colours by the time I finish with it. Here's the London Brighton South Coast Railway. Really nice model, this one. These are some of my, I think this is one of my earlier brake vans. Probably from about the 70s. And I think, yeah, this one might be an eBay find. This one's from Bernie at Buckland Junction. He's got his own channel. I put up a link down below to his channel. And this one I think Bernie sent me as well. Bring it up a little bit for me, Mark. And on the back is my trusty old Triang that I've had since I was about 6. It's the old Triang 20-ton Toad. So you can send her on her way now, please. There we go. And behind it we've got an eBay find, which is quite a nice wagon. I got it in the middle of the night for virtually nothing. And I think this is one of my next early Triang. Look how rust on it. That's one for you, Wardle Road. Look at that. So that's nearly all of my brake vans, but there are a couple of more I'll show you. And this is another nice one that as a souvenir from Alan at Triang Junction when I visited him. It did have Hornby Railways on it, but I painted it up in my own livery. So there are a few more, but that's enough brake vans for one day. Let's get back to running trains. You fancied a bit of ozone in the room, and here comes my Battle of Britain Spitfire. On the milk train. And here comes the oil train again. Come on, girls, you can do it. Yeah, Spitfire. She's a Triang. Put decals enough for me, and now I put the tender pickups on. Oh look, she's got punter in the tender. My grandson again. Wow, it's busy. Oh, we're waiting on his Spitfire. There she is. Whoa! Well, that's the 4 Darlings running today, plus the 2 tank trains. And there we go. Look at this. Let's just bring the Black 5 up a tid. Come on, darling. Yeah, okay. Well, that's nearly the end of this video, so I'll just send them all off, and hope you enjoyed the afternoon's run session. So here goes Mark's S15. Look at that. And those beautiful carriages. There goes the Merchant Navy. And beautiful carriages. Here comes my S15 with the all the brake vans on. Well, not all of them, but some of them, including 2 from Bernie. Thanks, Bernie. And the Black 5. 1 of 2 I've got now. This is number 1. The number 2 you'll see later on in the autumn. So take care, everybody.
Right, thanks once again, Alan, for a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Stanover Model Railway, and this is Mark, out!
Well, thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Cheers, Mark, for bringing another selection of nice locomotives to run on Buckland Junction. And well, look forward to doing it again in the future. So all that remains is me to say, Alan, out! Bye.